Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. It's an OT7 story. If you are solo stand and can't see other members, then this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully, then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. The night was dark, the air heavy with mist, and a big black car had stopped near the entrance of big palace-like mansion. The dangerous mafia family had just arrived at their new hideout. Four men in all black outfit stepped down from the car, and behind them two teenage boys stepped down. Yoongi, while looking at the mansion, Joon, you said this mansion has a character. I didn't know character means looks like it eats people. Jin, scared. In this much big world, you didn't get a decent place for hideout. Dad, you brought this creepy mansion. June, Hyang, we need a calm place to hide out until things are cooled down. I got the offer of this house in cheapest price, so I brought it. It's the perfect place for us. We will remain safe here. Hobby. Perfect for feeding us to ghosts. I bet here must be so many ghosts. It's haunted house. That's why it's sold in such a cheap rate. Cook. Wow! I never saw any haunted house before. It will be so much fun. Jimin. It's a huge palace. Finally, I will get my separate room. I don't need to share my room with Cook. Yoongi, let's go inside. I hope it's already clean. Hobby, are you mad? No, I'm not going inside. Here must be so many ghosts. June, Hyang, you are scared of nothing. Here is no ghost. It's just an old house. Jimin, I saw in movie ghosts are living in this type of big place, like mansion. Jin looked at Jimin with terrified eyes and gulped hard. Really? Cook pointed his finger on the house. Hyang, look there. Everyone looked at where Cook pointed his finger. Yoongi, what's there? Cook, doesn't it seem like the house is watching us? Jimin, yeah, it seems like house is calling us. Yoongi, yeah, with fork and spoon to eat us. Hearing them, Hobie and Jin got scared and jumped on Yoongi and June and hugged them tightly while clenching their necks. Jin screamed and jumped. Ah! June, save me! I don't wanna become ghost dinner! Hobie screamed and jumped on Yoongi. Ah! Yoongyang, save me! Yoongi, annoyed. Ah, Hoba! Step down! You are so heavy! June looked at Jin. Hyang, have you forgotten that we are mafias? You both aren't scared of anything, but scaring of the things which don't even exist. Jin slapped June's head. No need to give me a lecture. I'm your Hyang, not you are mine. June, then at least do some Hyangs like things. Right now you are looking like a 3-year-old kid who just noticed his shadow and got scared of it. Step down and lead us. Jin hugged Jun's neck more tightly. No, I'm not young. I'm 3-year-old kid. If you dare to drop me, then I will burn you with my raps. Yoongi, Hobie, you better leave my neck or I will drop you. Hobie wrapped his legs tightly on Yoongi's. How can you do this with me? Yoongi, stop being clingy, Hoshok. You are a mafia. You have guns. Why are you scared? Hobie, guns are for humans, not for ghosts. They won't be scared of anything. June, if you both keep sticking on us, then how will we keep the things inside? Jin, Dad, I don't know. Just don't leave me. Yoongi, stop being a scary cat. While watching you, Hobie is also scared. Look, Jimin and Cook aren't scared. They are enjoying, and here you are being mafia this much scared. Cook, Jinny Hangi, come and grab my hand. Here is no ghost. We are just kidding. Jimin, yes, Hobie Hangi, you can grab my hand. Let's go inside. I want to see this beautiful mansion from inside, please. Finally, Jin and Hobie left June and Yoongi and grabbed Cook and Jimin's arms. They all entered inside the mansion. It was a huge and beautiful from inside. There was the pin drop silence. They could hear their footsteps. Yoongi looked around. It's not bad. It's actually so good. I can sleep here peacefully. Cook, it's so big we can play football here. Jimin, yeah, that's good. We brought football with us. Jin, what's that? June looked at a spacious room. That is your territory. Jin, that is a kitchen? Really? Wow. I always want a big kitchen. Yoongi, now your wish granted. Be happy and prepare lots of food for us. Hobie, while looking at the wall, if we change the color of the wall and put some vibrant paintings, then it won't look scary. June, guys, we are here for hiding, not for redecoration. No need to change anything. Looked at Jin, and Hyang, I already ordered to fill the pantry. Check, is everything there or you need anything? We don't know when the things will short out, so we have to live here. Jin, okay, I will check. Yoongi, come with me. Left. Jimin, that means as long as we stay here, will be no school. Yay! Cook, happily, all day only eat, play, sleep, then repeat. June, who said no school? Jimin looked at June. Till the time things will settle down, we have to stay here, and till we are here, we can't go to school, and that means no school. June, you can't go to school, but school can come to you. Cook, Hank, here is no signal. Showed June his mobile. So, no online classes. We are just free birds. Flapped his hands like wings and tried to fly. June, have you forgotten me? I am here to teach both of you. I already talked with your principal and assured him that there would be no loss of your studies. So, from tomorrow onwards, get ready with your bags. Professor Kim Namjoon will take your classes. Cook, but how will you take our classes? We didn't bring our school bags and study materials. June, shocked. What? You forget to bring the important stuffs? How can you be so careless? Jimin, we didn't forget Hyang. Hyungi said, we are going for hideout, so don't bring any unwanted and unnecessary things. He doesn't want any stress, so we didn't bring a study material. That was the most stressful things, said innocently. June looked at Jimin with disbelief eyes. Seriously? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Hyangi, we never disobey our Hyang's words. We always do what our Hyang said. June looked at Hobie. Have you ever seen them this much obedient before? They just want only one reason to not study. Hobie, leave it, June. Let them enjoy their small vacation. Mind also needs rest. Looked at Jikook. Don't worry, babies. I brought a speaker. We can dance here. Jimin, yay! It's a long time since we danced. Jin came there. Kitchen is so spacious and pantry is full too. I will prepare new dishes. It's been a long time since I cook. Finally, I can give some time to my passion. Hyungi, do whatever you want to do. Just don't disturb me. I will complete my sleep and eat my tangerines. Jimin, yay! We will eat, dance, play and sleep. June, guys, we are here for hideout, not for picnic. Nobody should know that we are staying here and you are planning a picnic. June was speaking, but as usual, no one was listening him. Everyone was so excited to stay here. They were totally unaware the truth that there was someone else in this big mansion who was watching them from an attic. A little child's ghost, Titi, who was staying here and protecting the house from bad people. He was very stubborn and possessive. He was looking at everyone with his big round eyes and chubby cheeks. The new family, they dared to change Titi's house and calling it theirs. Look like they aren't scared of Titi. Titi has to scare them and make them run away as soon as possible like others. Titi decided to scare them. Jin was in the kitchen and preparing food. Jimmy and Cook were arranging everyone's things in the room. June was placing the things. Hobie was setting the curtains and flower washes. Hyungi was, as usual, laying on the couch like a sleepy cat. T looked here and there. Where did everyone go? Did they already leave? Oh no, now whom does Titi scare? So Hyungi, who was sleeping peacefully. No, they are here. So this kitten is Titi's first target. Floated to Hyungi. This kitten is sleeping on Titi's couch. Wait, Titi will make him fly. Inhaled the air and blew on Hyungi. Woo! Hyungi, still closing his eyes. This air is so cold and peaceful too. I loved it. Don't stop, keep blowing. T looked at Hyungi with angry pout. Ah, this kitten is watering Titi. Wait, Titi will break his leg. Pressed Hyungi's left leg by his magic. Hyungi, it's so good. Massage my other leg too. Don't stop blowing. Do it fast. T started blowing and massaging Hyungi's both their legs. Hyungi, it's so relaxing. Thank you. Quickly slept. T smiled. You are welcome. Realization hit him. Hey, Titi is a ghost. Titi came here to scare Kitten, but Kitten already slept. Looked at other side and found Hobie, who was trying to set the curtain. Titi will scare him. Hobie, this curtain is so stubborn. It's not setting. T floated to Hobie and blew. Whoa! All the dried leaves came inside. Hobie, while setting the curtain, I just mopped the floor, I swear, Minnie. If I found the tiniest mistake, I will beat you with my broom. T got scared and blew away all the dry leaves and cleaned the floor by his magic. Here is no mess. Titi cleaned everything. Floated to June. He is so scary. Looked at June. What is this big body doing? June, Hobie Hang is setting the house alone. I should help him. I should add this flower in this wash. It will look good. Picked the flower and smelled. Achoo! Achoo! Was slipped from his hand. T panicked. Ah! Titi doesn't want beatings from broom. Held the wash and again placed it on its place. Ah! Sighed in relief. This big body is so dangerous. He will definitely make Titi beating by broom. Titi won't come near him. Floated to somewhere else. June panicked to realize he dropped the wash. Ah! Hobie Hang will kill me. Looked at the other side and found wash was at its place. How did it come here? Looked at the other side and found Jimin was passing by there. So Minnie caught it. Today Minnie saved me, otherwise Hobie Hang would have beaten me by his slipper. Tea was floating here and there. He smelled a delicious aroma and floated to kitchen while licking his lips. He found Jin there, who was busy in dealing with an old oven. Tea. It smells so nice. So this man is chef. But what is he talking with oven? Floated to Jin. Jin to oven. You stupid oven. I didn't spend hours to bear your tantrums. Start working, otherwise I will beat you with my pink frying pan. T patted Jin's shoulder. What happened? Why are you scolding this oven? Jin, without looking at him. I have to put dish in it, but it starts throwing tantrums. T means no food? Jin, without it, how do I prepare food? I have to think something else left. T, what? No food? After so long, Titi gets the opportunity to eat tasty food. No. Titi can't miss this opportunity. Titi has to do something. T fixed the oven by his magic and Jin happily prepared the dinner. T was sitting on the kitchen counter and tasting everything. After a long time, he ate food. Everyone had their dinner and went to sleep in their respective rooms. T got involved in mafia family that he forgot he had to scare them. He was laughing and enjoying with them. He found Yoongi was sleeping peacefully, so he slipped in Yoongi's blanket and slept while hugging him. He was so happy to get Yoongi's warmth. Time skipped in the morning. T woke up and immediately floated to kitchen. He swatched and prepared the snacks and milkshake for everyone. Water filled in his mouth. Jin left to call everyone for breakfast and T attacked on food. T while sipping the milkshake. It's so tasty. Titi loves it. Started munching snacks. It's so tasty too. That broad shoulder man cooks so tasty food. Finish the breakfast. What else Titi can eat? Swat tangerine. What's this round thing? It looks so tasty. Eat all the tangerine too. T finished the breakfast and tangerine too. Now his tummy was full. He was happily floating here and there. He found Hobie was dancing near the entrance with Jimin and Cook. A catchy song was playing in a speaker. He couldn't control himself and started dancing along with them. T, yay! Titi's so happy. Looked at Hobie. This man isn't scary at all. He's so cute and smiling like a sun. Hobie, Minnie, Cookie, are you enjoying? Hobie, Hanky, this workout is the best. I'm loving it. Jimin, this workout I can do every day without getting tired. June, while doing push-ups. That's not called workout. Come and do push-ups. It will make your body strong. Otherwise, you will become fat. T. Fat? Looked at his tummy, which was so big. Titi's tummy is looking so fat. Titi should also do some exercise like Big Body. Floated to June and sat on him, who was doing push-ups. Now Titi's tummy won't be fat. Titi can eat more food. June was busy in doing push-ups while carrying T on his back. Hobie was busy in dancing with Jikook. Everyone was so happy. Suddenly, Yunjin came there while angrily shouting, and June fell on the floor. Yoongi, mad, Kim freaking small, Jimin! Jin, mad, Kim Jungkook! Jimin got escaped. What happened, Hangs? Yoongi grabbed Jimin's ear. What happened? How dare you to eat my tangerine? Jimin, me? No, Hang, I did. Yoongi twisted his ear. Jin twisted Cook's ear. You ate whole breakfast. It was for everyone. You didn't leave anything. Now what will I feed to others? Cook. Yoongi, what are you saying? I didn't go in kitchen. I'm dancing with Hobie Hang since I woke up. Jin, so you won't accept your mistake? Wait, let me bring my sleeper. Cook started running. No, I seriously didn't touch anything. Yoongi looked at Jimin. You are gone now. Yunjin were running behind Jimin and Cook, who were running for saving their lives. They were running on stairs, and June and Hobie were looking at them and thinking, who is kid and who is adult? Suddenly, Jin's foot slipped and he fell from the staircase. Everyone screamed, but suddenly Jin's body hung in air. T stopped Jin in air by his magic and saved him from falling. Everyone was so shocked to see this. T slowly and safely landed Jin on the floor and everyone quickly hugged him. Hobie, Hang, are you alright? Jin, Yoongi, but how did you hang in air? Jin, don't know. I felt someone is pulling me. Gulped hard. That means here is a ghost? Jimin, we are living with a ghost. June, let's go guys. We won't stay here anymore. June went to open the door. T got scared. He thought they would leave him. He thought they would leave from here. So he locked the door by his magic and started flicking the lights. Everyone got scared and hugged each other tightly. June, who is here? T. Ah, you can't go from here. Yoongi looked here and there. Who are you? Come in front of us. What do you want from us? T. This is Titi's house and now you all are Titi's. Titi won't let you go. Cook. Who is Titi? Come in front of us. T. Visible to them while floating in air. I'm Titi. Please don't go from here. Jin and Hobie got scared. Ghost! T. No, please don't be scared. Titi is a good ghost. Titi won't harm you. Please don't leave Titi. Titi is so lonely. Here is no one who can play with Titi. Titi promise. Titi won't scare you. Titi only wants tasty food. Hobie. But what are you doing here? T. Some bad people killed Titi's mama and dada. Titi is protecting this house from bad people. Please don't go now. Hearing T's story and his cute pouty face, they decided to stay in the house. Unknowingly, Titi became the youngest magne of Mafia family. Usually, people adopted pet and child. But Mafia family adopted a hungry ghost whose tummy could never fill. T helped everyone and enjoyed. In return, he got everyone's love and of course, tasty food. Family isn't always bound by blood. Sometimes it's the people or ghosts who choose to stay by your side. Kindness can turn strangers into protectors, and trust can make even the unluckiest souls feel at home. Laughter, care, and shared moments can break any wall, whether it's built by fear or loneliness. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. How was the cute, stubborn and hungry ghost? How was the ghost animation? Did you enjoy it? If yes, then comment down your favorite part and let me know you value my hard work. If ghosts are like Titi, then I don't think anyone will be scared of them. Titi was a lonely soul who stuck in this big mansion, protecting it from bad people. Titi ended up blending with Mafia family and became their youngest magne. Usually people adopt a child or pet, but Mafia family adopted a hungry ghost. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.